In the colorful village of Vrindavan, vibrant decorations fill the streets for Indra Puja. Farmers bring baskets of fresh fruits and flowers, singing and dancing together in celebration, their smiles bright under the sun. Young Krishna, playful and curious, watches the preparations. As they stand under a big tree, Krishna questions the villagers' choice of worship. Why not thank Govardhan Hill for all our blessings? He suggests with a knowing smile, pointing at Hill. Intrigued by Krishna's words, the villagers gather around him and agreed. Inspired by Krishna's wisdom, they decide to offer their prayers and delicious food to Govardhan Hill instead of Indra, creating a colorful feast at the hill's base. Indra watches the villagers abandon his worship. His face darkens in fury as dark storm clouds gather around him. He proclaims, they will regret this decision. Wisps of lightning spark around him as he prepares to unleash his wrath. The once clear skies turn ominously dark. Thunder claps and torrential rain begins to fall. Villagers scatter in panic, seeking shelter for themselves and their precious cows. Colorful animals are seen rushing while children cling to their mothers. Amid the chaos, Krishna stands tall and calm. He raises his hand, calling to the frightened villagers, "Don't worry. I will protect you." He exudes a comforting glow, his confidence calming those around him. With a powerful but gentle grace, Krishna lifts Govardhan effortlessly with the tip of his little finger. The hill hovers above them like umbrella, casting a protective shadow over the villagers. Gasps of awe fill the air as they gather under it. As the storm continues, Indra peers down, astonished to see Krishna's miraculous feat. Realization washes over him. He understands Krishna is not an ordinary boy, but a divine being. He lowers his scepter, humbled by Krishna's power and grace. Krishna gently lowers Govardhan Hill back to its rightful place, the villagers erupting in joyous cheers. Flowers scatter in the air, and everyone dances and sings Krishna's praises. The atmosphere is jubilant and filled with color. As the sun sets, fireworks light up the sky. The villagers dance around a beautiful fire, celebrating their bond with Krishna and Govardhan Hill, a new tradition cemented in their hearts forever. Seated on the hill, Krishna shares important lessons about gratitude with the villagers and children. He teaches them about respect, love, and the importance of acknowledging nature's blessings. Hope you all enjoyed the story of Krishna and Govardhan. Please subscribe and share. Thank you.